Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I partnered with Rustoleum to make a Thanksgiving tablescape. I used their Imagine line of spray paint in the color copper to spray a few pumpkins. Next, I used this metallic spray paint in the color champagne to spray a few items. These gold chargers, of course, they're gold already, but I'm changing them to be champagne, which is a little bit different. So I'm spraying over these, and then I'm also going to spray these candlesticks in the champagne color, as well as a few pumpkins that a couple of them were already gold, but they're also champagne now. And lastly, I'm using this coastal blue spray paint in a chalk finish to go over these placemats. These are from the Dollar Tree, and as you see, they're very bright pink. And I'm covering right over them with this spray paint, which is covering very nicely. I did a few coats just to get all in the little spaces, and it came out really nice. And then I'm spraying a few pumpkins as well. And now with the spray painting out of the way, there was this metallic leafing pen, and I used this to go over the placemats with a little silver detailing around the edge. And then I tried to write on this glass within a frame using a stencil, and the stencil didn't end up working out, so I had to freehand and write Happy Thanksgiving, but I think it turned out okay. And of course I had to include a DIY. I created this table runner by cutting out the center strip from a tablecloth and then ironing the edges closed using this fusion bonding and a steam iron. And then I also created some matching napkins. So if you want to see how the tablescape all comes together, please keep watching.